Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Today I'm doing the last chore or last task I need to do, and that is to clean my pavers. So I have a product that I got from the big orange box store, and I'm going to use it to clean my pavers. And I thought I would bring you along. So came in this box. I ordered it online and we're going to open it. Okay, and this is it. 30-second outdoor cleaner. It says it cleans algae, mold, and mildew, and it's good for the deck and the house and the fence. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my water hose, and then we're going to get started. water much cleaner, and we'll go ahead and let it dry. I'll come out later on this afternoon and look at it again to see if I have to put it on another application. But from what I'm seeing so far, I like it. I want to thank you for coming along with me while I did this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. You can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care.